So today I'm going to teach you a rule for solving integrals. Specifically, this one's called the substitution rule for indefinite integrals. So I taught you that one lesson, the introduction to integration lesson. We did some simple things like the integral of 5x dx, right? Simple things like this, or the integral of e to the y dy, or you can probably also figure out the integral of, say, cos t dt. But what about something like this? The integral of 18x squared multiplied by the fourth root of 6x cubed plus 5 dx. That one doesn't look so easy. However, there is something I want you to notice. Notice that right in here, if you found the derivative of what I just underlined, it equals this, right? The derivative of 6x cubed is 18x squared. So let's do a substitution. I'm going to call this u, as in the letter u, is 6x cubed plus 5. Now I'm going to find the derivative of that. So the derivative of u with respect to x is 18x squared. If I multiply both sides by dx, I get du equals 18x squared times dx. So now this whole integral here, I can rewrite. So here I have the integral of, so this is the fourth root of u. So let me just write that as u to the power of 1/4, because that'll be easier. And then this 18x squared multiplied by dx, right here, 18x squared multiplied by dx is du. Now this is an integral we know how to do, right? If we're going to do that integral, we simply add 1 to the exponent. So 1/4 plus 1 is 5/4. And then we divide by 5/4, which gives us 4/5. And then we add a constant, plus c. Now if I simply replace u back with what it is, we get 4/5 all times by u, which is 6x cubed plus 5 to the power of 5/4 plus our constant c. So that's the substitution rule. Written out formally, it looks like this. So the integral of some composite function f of g of x multiplied by, if you have that derivative g prime of x dx, is going to equal the integral of f of u du, if u is equal to the function gx. So I want you to try one for yourself here. Let's try the integral of x squared times by 3 minus 10x cubed to the power of 4 dx. And just to make sure you're doing it right, I'll tell you what you should finally get. The final answer should be 1 over 150 times 3 minus 10x cubed to the power of 5 plus c. So give it a try.